Hello everyone, this is Alex from Austell Rd Tires. I want to share with you guys what it was our first experience installing a 6-inch lift kit on a 2019 Ram 1500. And it was a great experience. We want to share with you some pictures and some videos. We get it in, we started with the front end. We noticed that everything that came on the box was very easy to install. We get it everything disassembled, including the front differential from the 4-wheel drive system. It was not a bad experience, or it wasn't hard to do. We have to have some help from different people to help with the heavy components of it. Be careful to avoid damaging 4-wheel drive differential on the front. But at the end, everything was very smooth, very nice, high quality parts. Everything that came on the box was perfect. All the bolt nuts, everything was complete. Everything self-explained on the manual and instructions. So thank you very much for watching this video today. We want to thank you from all our team members. Just stay connected with us. Just click on the button below and like us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We're constantly uploading a lot of pictures and a lot of information that it will be very interesting for you guys to watch and read. So just stay connected with us, and thank you very much for watching.